MolaPlus Bovine Meal is also designed to help growing heifers and young bulls. To growing animals 3 to 7 months old, administer 500 grams to 1 kg per day with basal roughages like silage, hay, napier grass, etc. Administer gradually. Split feed into 2 meals to improve utilization. When you do that, you expect results of 1 to 1.5 kg in weight gain per day. This product aids in providing the daily nutrients requirement for optimum bone, muscle, organ development, and that make the animal to grow to be a high producer in the future. These are very critical for production of milk, fertility, growth, and meat at the harvesting time.